In September's edition of Connoisseur Reviews, I have beautiful books, tea, soap, laundry detergent, pillows, and more. All the good stuff. Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to The Daily Connoisseur. I do a monthly review video called Connoisseur Reviews. I actually took the last month off to just have a bit more time off, but I'm back here in September. And this is the last one you will see before my holiday gift guide, which will appear at the beginning of November. So this is a really good one. I have so many things that interest this community to share with you in today's video. Let's just jump right in. Okay, we're going to start with beautiful books. And many of you saw my Homemaking Week in the Life, The Art of Tea book. And that featured Victoria Magazine's gorgeous book, The Art of Tea. And I wanted to share that one with you as well as two others with you today. So The Art of Tea is gorgeous. It just is full of interesting stories about tea, tea etiquette, tea recipes. It is an absolutely gorgeous book. These books are going to make a reappearance in my gift guide because they are so giftable. Anyone who loves tea would love to have this book. Next, I have two more books from Victoria Magazine. Our Hearts Are in France and Our Hearts Are in England. These books are so gorgeous. They are so big. Look how large they are. Masterpieces. They're so beautiful. You know I love both England and France, so both of these books appeal to me so much. Back in December when Ben and I went to the Cotswolds, we visited this very spot here on the cover. So there's just so much in here. Absolutely cannot recommend these books enough. They really capture France and England in such a beautiful way. So these are all from Victoria Magazine, and I will leave them linked down below. Okay, next I have a finance book to recommend to you. This is written by Morgan Housel. More importantly, Morgan is the husband of Gretchen Housel, who is in the Chic Society here on the Daily Connoisseur. Her husband has written this book called The Psychology of Money that has received the most amazing reviews. I can already tell that this book just confirms everything that I believe about finances. So it says, doing well with money isn't necessarily about what you know, it's about how you behave. And behavior is hard to teach, even to really smart people. So this book focuses on the behaviors that you need to adopt to make smart financial decisions. And I just couldn't agree more. This received an excellent review in the Wall Street Journal, and I just can't wait to dive more into this book. So I will leave The Psychology of Money linked down below. Let's talk about tea, specifically loose leaf tea, and I have a new company for you. It's called Simple Loose Leaf. So I have Simple Iced Tea, Prickly Pear Herbal, Blue Lady Grey, which immediately intrigued me, Simple Vanilla Herbal, and Blood Orange. So I was really happy to add to my herbal stash of teas because I was running low on them. The Simple Loose Leaf teas are just so full-bodied and delicious. My absolute favorite, I'll start off with that one, is the Simple Vanilla Herbal. This is the type that I will definitely buy again. I love it. This is a rooibos tea. So the ingredients are South African rooibos herbal tea, all natural flavor, and jasmine flowers. It tastes like a full-bodied, creamy, rich vanilla black tea, but it's actually herbal, so there's no caffeine. And this is the perfect dessert tea because I will have this with milk and sugar. And it is so delicious. Of course, you don't have to take it that way. You could just have it black, but or red, I should say, but it's so good. I cannot recommend this particular one enough. I love it. I would have to say that my second favorite would be the Blue Lady Grey, and this is a very unique take on Earl Grey tea. The ingredients for this one is whole leaf black, blue mellow blossoms, lavender flowers, and bergamot flavor. So I love Earl Grey, but this, with the addition of the blue mellow blossoms and the lavender flower, gives it a feminine blue floral taste to it, and it's just so good. Again, this also makes a really good dessert tea with some cream and sugar. Let's talk about the Sleep and Glow Anti-Aging Pillow. Oh yes, an anti-aging pillow. So this is a pillow that fights sleep wrinkles and morning puffiness. It has a patented design. It was developed by experts. It has extra comfort memory foam, and it includes a pillowcase. So this is for people who sleep on their side and back. If you sleep on your face, we can't help you. But if you sleep on your side and back, this is such an amazing pillow. So it has this design here where it's like, it has a space for your head if you sleep on your back, that's the middle part. And then on the sides, if you sleep on your side, the pillow has cutouts and a way to cradle your head so that your face isn't smushed together. I sleep both on my back and my side. So this is perfect for me. I just go back and forth between the two at night, but I love it. It's like your face can free fall and that it's not being smushed. So I can really see how this would prevent wrinkles long term. Cool. So all of you ladies who are interested in anti-aging and preventing wrinkles, this is a non-invasive way that you can do it, and you can use this pillow. And I like that it's actually rather small, so you could easily travel with this pillow as well. So there you go, that's the Sleep and Glow pillow. I will leave it linked down below along with my discount code. All right, next, the Bend Soap Company, who you know I love. They do those amazing goat milk lotions, goat milk soaps, and bath and body products. They have their Almond Delight line, which was my favorite scent of theirs in their lotion. They have that now in all of their ranges. So they have it in the luxury milk bath, in the sugar scrub. They also have it in their soap and in chapstick, and of course their lotion. And I love almond, so this line is just absolutely perfection to me. I'm so glad that they're going to be carrying it year round. It's not going to be seasonal anymore. So it's perfect for the fall. It's just very subtle, and of course all natural. So the Bend Soap Company's Almond Delight line, and I will leave that linked down below. Let's talk about beautifully scented laundry detergent now. You know I love the Hikatron line. In fact, my favorite scent from Hikatron is Mambo Man, and I know that that is so random. It is a very masculine scent, but I'm telling you, it is the best scented laundry detergent I've ever smelled. I know the owners, and Aziz and his wife, they are wonderful, and they sent 3 new scents, and these are more tropical. So we have Paradise, Energize, and Tropical Passion, and again, they smell so good. So the Paradise has pistachio, salted caramel, and fresh citrus melded with a touch of peach, jasmine, and dried fruits. I'm telling you, their laundry detergents are like perfumes. They're so complex. And I think from my personal preference, Paradise is my favorite. It kind of smells like a tropical drink, like if I were at a poolside hotel in the tropics or something. This is something that would be nice to have. So the scent is absolutely gorgeous. I love the Paradise. The Energize is refreshing blend of spearmint and peppermint oils blended with a touch of eucalyptus and Spanish rosemary. And this is a very minty, energized scent. It's really nice. And if you like mint, you would love that one. And then the final one I have here is Tropical Passion, juicy mango with a touch of peach, followed by raspberry and sweet orange. This one's very fruity. It reminds me of a tropical gum, if that makes sense. And it's very lovely as well. So they have 3 more scents. I love Hikatron, and I will leave them linked down below. That is it for this edition of Connoisseur Reviews. I hope that you enjoyed this video. The next review video you see from me will actually be my holiday gift guide, and that's going to go up at the beginning of November. So in the meantime, I hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you in my next video.